Alright guys, welcome back to the Hustle Life. We're headed over to the off-road spot to do some more off-road videos. Being that my biggest viewed video is just a 5-minute off-road video I did about a year ago. Just saw an off-road spot, decided to turn off and film it. And yeah, I think it right now has like 220,000 views or something. So apparently,
I've never been on live television before, but apparently sometimes I don't watch the news because I'm a kid, and apparently every time Grandpa just gives me the remote after you watch the Powerball.
Apparently, oh my gosh, she just snorted it. Wow. My assistant here, my assistant Virginia is going to help me out for the day to film. Pay her by feeding her coffee and donuts. So, let's go do this. Let's go to this spot. Check it out. Just want to say I'm not a professional four-wheeler or off-roader. I'm just a guy in a van taking it out and having some fun. So don't take this as any advice for off-roading skills. I'm just a guy having fun with my van. Alright, so I haven't put out a video in a while. We did end up selling the house though. The house is sold. We closed on it. I gotta do another video of how much we made on that house. But I had to take some time off to take care of some things. In the back of the Sprinter we got all the stuff we need. You see the bed I built. I'm gonna do another video. Actually, I'm editing the video on how I built this bed. So it's like a couch. It's in couch position, but then it also folds flat, so that it turns into a bed. And then and then it also comes in and out. So I built that bed, posting a video up to that. But let's go ahead to this spot where we can get some good off-roading. We'll do some drone shots, and let's go do this. That are new to the channel, I'll show you what we're working with over here. We got the 2018 Mercedes Sprinter 4x4. The 4x4 Sprinter is already lifted from the factory 4 inches, and I put these bigger tires on that are 285/75 R16. It's a 4x4 model, and some recovery gear just in case. Hope we don't gotta use it. I got the Badland 12,000 pound winch just in case. So yeah, let's go do this. We didn't have to use the winch today, but that's a good thing. All right, so this is with the bed down, and I'll show you how I put it up. So you can do this also from the inside, because there's this room here where you can stand if these doors are closed. But all you gotta do is lift it up, like this, and then with these hooks over here, you just attach these hooks, this rope and this hook, and then now it's in the chair position. And if I put it on the closer hooks, more closer to the front, it will go up even more. So I could put it on this hook and it'll be even more straighter. And now it's straight up like that. So and that's that, like that. So come around from the inside. Right now I got the diesel heater running, you can hear it underneath, but yeah, that's it in couch mode. So I'll put a link to the van bed build if you guys want to see how I actually made it. I'll put in the link below. But yeah, it's pretty nice out here.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, feel the highs, yeah, highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and